Well, I've taken delivery of the Fermzilla 60 litre all-rounder. It's basically to complement the 30 litre all-rounder that I had in my other video. The 60 litre will allow me to do a 38 litre double batch. I use kegs, so basically I can make enough beer in one ferment to fill 2 kegs. I haven't pulled it all apart or pulled it all down yet. I have opened the box and had a quick look, just to make sure everything's there. So what I'll do is I'll take it all out of the box and I'll set it up here on the table and we'll have a closer look. It comes with a stainless steel stand that has attached the handles that go on the unit. That's the main fermenter sitting up in the stand there. It's got the pressure lid sitting on top, and inside the fermenter it also comes with some other things which we'll have a look at. So there's our pressure lid as it comes from Kegland, and inside the fermenter we've got an airlock, a stick-on thermometer and a measurement scale, which also sticks on the side. That's to give an approximation of how many litres we're filling. So we'll get all that out and have a closer look at that. The 60 litre kit that I bought, it was on Kegland for $110 Australian, and it also came with the pressure kit as part of the whole package. So with that, obviously I've got the airlock, the thermometer as I showed before, our measuring scale that goes up to 60 litres, not that you'd use all that. These are the gas and liquid posts that connect up to the top of the pressure lid. That allows you to ferment under pressure and dispense and all that without exposing any oxygen. It comes with a strap which allows you to attach to the base, goes up over and around the neck and secures the vessel itself to the base, so it makes it to move around a little bit easier. Also comes with the dip tube. There's a flexible silicone dip tube in there, float, and it also comes with a filter. So I'll grab that out and we'll have a look at that. So that's the contents of the pressure kit. We've got the included spunding valve. That's rated at 15 psi. You can see on the gauge there she goes up to 15 psi. There's a silicone dip tube, the float and the filter, and our 2 gas and liquid ball lock disconnects. The pressure lid comes supplied with a 15 psi pressure relief valve in the middle there, already installed. It also comes with these 2 small PET lids. Basically they're glorified Coke bottle lids. This one comes supplied with a rubber grommet already installed. That's so you can use the airlock if you just wanted to brew as normal and not under pressure. But setting it up for pressure is simple enough. It's simply a matter of unscrewing these lids and screwing in the gas and beer line. Alright, that's our pressure lid with the caps removed and our pressure fitting ball locks installed. It's as simple as unscrewing the cap, screwing these guys in. That's the outer locking ring that once this pressure cap's pushed down onto the top of the fermenter, this locking ring goes down over the top and screwed down just hand tight, and that locks it all into place on top of the fermenter. So the silicone dip tube, that just goes on the little barb on the bottom of the the gas ball lock post that goes on the top. Now with the filter, as you'll see, there's three, so we can get a better angle there. There's three rings, one right at the front, one in the middle, and one at the end there near the tube. You can play around with it and sort of pick which one you want to set the float on. With the 30 litre, I used the middle hole, and I found that was quite okay to drop this enough sort of, you know, in the liquid as it as you decant from the fermenter. These dip tubes, they come longer than they need to be. So the idea is, what I did with the 30 litre, it was twice as long as it needed to be. So I mounted the lid, and then cut it about an inch from the bottom. Obviously, as you ferment, you end up with trub at the bottom of the fermenter. So I found cutting the tube an inch from the bottom was yeah, just about, probably just right as far as keeping it up at the right level as the keg got full. So yeah, there's just a little tip there. But once again, you know, just experiment with your setup and see what works for you. I've heard of other people also putting a stainless steel nut inside the cage, and that's helped to hold it down below the water level as well. So something to think about. That's a better look at the handle assembly. That's out of its bag, obviously. That goes underneath the locking collar. You'll find on the top of the fermenter there's a plastic ring that goes, that's part of the casting. It goes underneath that. It's self-explanatory once you're looking at it. So that's how it looks once it's all put together. Dip tube in, floats, and filter. You may note what I've done at the bottom is I've turned that stand upside down. So normally it'd be the other way around with the wider part at the base. What I've done is I've spun that around, and the unit will actually still sit and nestle down into the stand quite comfortably. And with doing that, if height's a bit of a problem depending on your setup, you can actually gain an extra 5 centimetres or 50 millimetres. You can take that off the overall height of the unit. So that's another option if height's a bit of a consideration for you. But yeah, there you go. So I just thought I'd give you a quick look and a quick unboxing of that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. And any questions, please, yeah, feel free to ask. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.